A family friend of mine introduced Celergen to us. I tried it for almost 3 years now, and I really had major effects on my skin, on my health, and mind you, I never had COVID infection before in the height of pandemic. I am COVID virgin, and she is also COVID virgin. All of us are COVID virgin because of Celergen.
No, we are really exposed in COVID because we are admitting COVID patients.
Yes. We have our own hospital in Bukidnon.
But she goes on duty, 24 hours duty. So, we usually during the height of COVID, that was in 2021, during the Delta time, there are lots of patients admitted.
Delta patients. Delta COVID patients.
So, we were surprised because we had the
high boost of immunity.
Yeah, the immunity.
And also my dad is COVID free, COVID virgin. All of us three.
He is diabetic. I have seen changes in her. The first thing that I have observed her regarding his cholesterol, because she's a good eater, especially meat. Steak.
I don't do diet.
So before, her blood chemistry was very high cholesterol. But when we repeated a year after taking the Celergen, it was all normal. So I was thinking, and then no medicines taken for high cholesterol. So she told me that she was taking Cyleva and Celergen.
I was a ballet dancer since grade 3. And then I stopped for 17 years when I had my marriage. So no exercise at all, eat all you can. But when I decided to perform for my mother-in-law, I said,
as a gift.
Yeah, as my gift, as my surprise, what if I will dance again? I never danced for 17 years, but I was surprised that my stamina is very high. I hope I can show you the video. I can turn like a fire. I split. I did my legs there. And mind you, I only had 2 weeks of practice.
Yeah, I was amazed. I even scolded her. You should not have done that. Dislocations or fracture.
And I'm nearly 40 years old with 3 kids.
With 3 kids.
Yes.
So I told her nga, you should have not done that because you have no practice, and then 2 weeks is not enough. No, I was just surprised why she was able to split. Oh, she was able to split.
And then I did 2 dances straight.
Oh.
And then my dance instructor said, wow, you were just like before when I was still a teenager. So that is Cyleva and Celergen. That's the effect of it. She compared it because she had exercise, mild exercise with full diet, but her blood chem was very high. All laboratories parameters are high, but compared to mine, I don't diet, I don't exercise, but I have very normal results of my laboratory.
Yeah. Before Celergen and Cyleva.
Yes.
I also took Cyleva at night, and then in the morning I took Celergen 2, Celergen in morning before meals. No, the major effect that I got is a month ago. I had an asthmatic attack, which is, it took about 2 to 3 weeks. And usually when I got asthma, in a day, it will just, because I have an inhaler, and then if it will not respond with inhaler, I took steroids. No? But then, during that time, terrible. My cough is really very terrible. My phlegm is white. No, it is more of allergy. So I told her, you better call Dr. Juna. What is happening? Why is this the first time I had this? Then it took 2 to 3 weeks, and it is not usual asthma that I had. No. So she told me there is repair going on.
Healing process.
Oh, healing process on my lungs. Siguro, I feel it now. I have no more asthmatic attack.
Yes, no more asthma attack. Like now, we had cheering. She did fall, but I was afraid that she will have asthma attack because it's very hot outside. But no, she's stable. No asthma attack at all.
In medicine, we always base it on evidence-based, or anything that we give to the patients, it should be evidence-based. No? But this now, we are the evidence.
Yes,
we ourselves are the evidence. That's why we are not ashamed to share this to our friends.
Yes, to everybody.
To our family first, to our family, then friends. No?
I started the business. I realized that I was not gaining only wealth, but a lot of people who purchase Celergen has very positive feedbacks on them. So that's why I'm very happy, and I am very willing to share this to everybody in Cagayan de Oro City, and also because I have many friends, Muslim areas in Tawi-Tawi at the end of the islands of the Philippines. So they're also started using it.
So the most important thing in this product that they can see the results in you, because we are the evidence.
Oh my God, this is a global business. It's a premier one. I can't explain more.
I told her that this Avita, it is not only because of money.
Yes.
We are more concerned of the health of the people, especially those people we love. And we will be infiltrating to the community.
Avita is a holistic approach and giving primary health care, giving optimal health to everybody. Magnanimity.
Yeah.
Yes.
Kay, you expand your heart in all corners.
In all corners of the universe.
Because in everything you do, you should have a heart. That's very important.
To anyone out there who is willing to invest on their health, beauty, and wellness, I would like to encourage you to join our family, the Avita family. And I'm sure it won't let you down, because we have to focus on our health, because health cannot wait. Health is
wealth.
Yeah, health is the utmost wealth among wealth.
And most of all, I want this to be a part of your family. No? If you take this, the whole family should take it. No? So that you will see the results. It is really amazing. So try it. And contact us if you want some knowledge about this Avita.
Yes.
Thank you.